Washington Middle School. We are on our second video of today. We're doing projects, right? I mean, we're at home. There's a lot of projects going on. You're cleaning up. You are making things better than they were before you found it. One of the things that my family is working on right now is a solar-powered greenhouse. So right now you can see we've got a big hole. Kind of can see it there. And I'm gonna ask Mrs. Nass up there. Hey babe, how much can we spend on this greenhouse?
Less than $1,000.
Less than $1,000. Okay, so you can see we've got a big hole we've been digging there. It's right next to our chicken coop there. And we are gonna go inside and talk about what that means. Mrs. Nass told me that we can spend less than $1,000. What does it mean? What does that mean, less than $1,000? Okay, so we've got a greenhouse. We need to spend some money. So we're gonna say M. Okay, so M is money for the solar greenhouse. Now Mrs. Nass tells me that M must be less than 1,000. M must be less than 1,000. So what does that mean? Well, that means that we can have 1,000 on a number line. Right here, we've got 1,000. M has to be anything below. We're just going to shade this in below. I'm going to do an arrow that goes down to infinity, below 1,000. The reason we have an open circle here is because it cannot be 1,000. If Mrs. Nass says it has to be less than 1,000, we can't spend $1,000. It has to be less than 1,000. Now, if Mrs. Nass has said it could be $1,000 or less than you're equal to, if she had, that would have put an equal sign and we would shade this in. It could be $1,000 or less, but she didn't say that. She said it must be less than $1,000. We could spend $500. We could spend $7. We could spend $38. We could spend $999.99. But we cannot spend $1,000. We have to spend less than $1,000. All right, let's give another example. We're in the middle of a crisis where we have a virus coming through, and it's very important that our immune systems are working at their peak capacity, that we are healthy every single day. And one of the important things to be healthy is to drink enough water. We need to drink enough water every day. And for me, as a full-grown man, science tells me that I need to drink 16 cups of water every day. At least 16 cups of water every day. That means that, what does that mean? Let's think about that. Okay, so if W equals the amount of water that I need to drink every day, then the amount of water, W, needs to be greater than or equal to at least 16 cups. So what does that mean? Well, that means that if I have a number line, we'll do a number line. We'll do 0 right here. And we've got 16 here. If I drink 16 cups of water today, am I drinking enough? Yes. So we're going to put a circle around 16 and shade that in, because 16 is enough. If I drink 17, is that enough? Yeah, because we're going to shade in everything above 16. We're going to make a big number or a big arrow right there, saying that every single thing above 16 is okay. I can drink 17 cups, 18, 19, 20 and a half cups. I can drink more than or equal to 16 cups of water each day and remain healthy. If I drink 5 cups, is that greater than or equal to 16? No, obviously it's not highlighted by my arrow. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get to work.